Welcome to our Clover Cure. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that could make a significant difference in our lives as we age. We're talking about a secret spice that has been gaining attention for its remarkable ability to boost memory and enhance focus. This spice, often found in your kitchen, is not just a flavor enhancer. It holds incredible potential for cognitive health. Research has shown that it contains compounds that may help improve memory retention and cognitive function, making it a valuable addition to the diet of anyone looking to keep their mind sharp. In this video, we'll explore the specific properties of this spice and how it works to enhance memory and focus. We'll also discuss the science behind its benefits so you can understand why it's gaining popularity among health-conscious individuals. But that's not all. We'll share practical tips on how to incorporate this spice into your daily meals, ensuring that you can easily reap its benefits. By the end of this video, you'll not only learn about this incredible spice, but also gain insights into other natural remedies that can support cognitive health. So, stick around and let's unlock the secrets to a sharper mind together. The spice we're unveiling today is none other than turmeric. This yellow spice is a staple in many kitchens around the world, particularly in Indian and Southeast Asian cuisines. Known for its warm, earthy flavor, turmeric is commonly used in curries, soups, and even smoothies. But beyond its culinary uses, turmeric has garnered attention for its impressive memory-boosting benefits, especially for seniors. Turmeric has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. In Ayurvedic practices, it has been revered for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Ancient healers believed that turmeric could enhance cognitive function and support overall brain health. This long-standing use in traditional medicine sets the stage for its modern-day recognition as a potential ally in combating age-related cognitive decline. In recent years, scientific studies have begun to back up these historical claims. Research has shown that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, may help improve memory and cognitive function. A study published in the American Journal of Geriatric Psychiatry found that curcumin supplementation was associated with improved memory and attention in older adults. Another study highlighted its potential to reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease by promoting the growth of new neurons and reducing inflammation in the brain. These findings are particularly relevant for cognitive health, pointing to the memory-boosting properties of turmeric. Let's delve deeper into how to use turmeric effectively and explore more about its benefit. Turmeric's memory-enhancing properties can be attributed to its active compound, curcumin. This yellow pigment is not only responsible for turmeric's distinctive color, but also plays a crucial role in promoting cognitive health. Curcumin is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which are essential for maintaining brain function as we age. When curcumin enters the body, it interacts with various signaling pathways in the brain. One of its key mechanisms is the reduction of inflammation, which is often linked to cognitive decline. By lowering inflammation, curcumin helps protect brain cells from damage and supports the overall health of neural pathways. Additionally, curcumin has been shown to increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor BDNF, a protein that promotes the growth and survival of neurons. Higher BDNF levels are associated with improved memory and learning capabilities. Imagine struggling to remember names or misplacing everyday items like keys or glasses. These small lapses can be frustrating and may lead to feelings of anxiety or embarrassment. However, with improved memory function, thanks to the effects of curcumin, that same individual could find it easier to recall names during social gatherings or keep track of their belongings. This enhancement in cognitive function can lead to greater confidence and independence in daily activities. Now that we've uncovered the incredible benefits of turmeric for memory and focus, let's talk about incorporating this spice into daily meals. The good news is that turmeric is not only nutritious, but also incredibly versatile, making it a fantastic addition to a variety of dishes. One of the simplest ways to enjoy turmeric is by adding it to soups and stews. A comforting vegetable soup can be enhanced with just a teaspoon of turmeric, giving it a warm flavor and a beautiful golden hue. You can also try making a hearty lentil stew, where turmeric complements the earthy flavors of the lentils while providing a nutritious boost. Another easy recipe is turmeric rice. Simply cook your favorite rice and add a teaspoon of turmeric to the water while it cooks. This not only adds a lovely color, but also infuses the rice with a subtle flavor. Pair it with grilled chicken or roasted vegetables for a complete meal. For those who enjoy smoothies, turmeric can be a fantastic addition. Blend together some spinach, banana, yogurt, and a pinch of turmeric for a refreshing and healthful drink. The sweetness of the banana and the creaminess of the yogurt will balance the spice perfectly. Experiment with turmeric in cooking is key. It can be sprinkled on roasted vegetables, mixed into salad dressings, or even added to scrambled eggs for a unique twist on breakfast. The possibilities are endless. Turmeric is a staple in many cuisines, particularly in Indian, Middle Eastern, and Southeast Asian dishes. This means that you can explore a wide range of flavors and recipes, from curries to marinades, all while reaping the cognitive benefits of this remarkable spice. So, don't hesitate to get creative in the kitchen and discover how turmeric can enhance both your meals and your memory. While turmeric is a fantastic spice for boosting memory and focus, there are several other natural remedies that can complement its cognitive benefits. Incorporating a variety of herbs and spices into your diet can create a powerful synergy for brain function. One such herb is rosemary. Known for its aromatic qualities, rosemary has been linked to improved memory and concentration. Studies suggest that the scent of rosemary may enhance cognitive performance, making it a great addition to meals or even as a tea. Another beneficial herb is ginkgo biloba, which has been used for centuries to improve blood circulation and support brain health. Ginkgo supplements are widely available and can be an excellent option for those looking to enhance their cognitive function. In addition to these herbs, lifestyle changes can significantly impact memory and focus. Regular physical activity is crucial for maintaining cognitive health. Engaging in activities like walking, swimming, or even dancing can improve blood flow to the brain and promote the growth of new neurons. Furthermore, incorporating brain exercises such as puzzles, reading, or learning a new skill can keep the mind sharp and agile. Overall diet also plays a vital role in cognitive health. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, such as those found in fish and nuts, can provide essential nutrients that support brain function. Staying hydrated is equally important, as dehydration can negatively affect cognitive performance. Encouraging a holistic approach to cognitive health is essential as we go deeper into our adult years. This means combining the benefits of turmeric and other natural remedies with a healthy lifestyle. By focusing on nutrition, physical activity, and mental stimulation, you can create a comprehensive strategy for enhancing memory and focus. Turmeric can be easily into your daily meals, whether through soups, rice dishes, or smoothies. The versatility of this spice allows for endless culinary creativity, making it a delightful addition to any diet. But remember, turmeric is just one piece of the puzzle. We highlighted other natural remedies, such as rosemary and ginkgo biloba, that can further support cognitive health when combined with a balanced diet and an active lifestyle. We hope you found this information valuable. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content focused on health and wellness. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us reach more people and spread the word about the importance of cognitive health. Lastly, be sure to explore our related content for more tips and tricks on enhancing your well-being. Together, we can empower ourselves and our loved ones to lead healthier, happier lives. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.